We will start the letter ba from a height of 2 nuqtas from this point and slowly push the qalam diagonally for about 4 nuqtas. And from this point, we will gradually turn the qalam at 90 degrees and move upwards. The height of the head and the tail should be at least 2 nuqtas and the total length of it will be 4 nuqtas. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how the letter is created. Remember, when we start off the letter, the qalam will move sliding a little downwards, gradually straightened and touches the line and gradually changing the angle of the qalam at 90 degrees and move upwards. There are certain rules and regulations for the letter ba if used as a commencing letter, such as if we connect with the letter alif, then here we create a half round shape of ba using the full length of qalam. I'm representing alif with diagonal cuts of qalam. And even if we use it with the letter dal, we still build the ba with full qalam. Okay, here is another condition of the letter ba if we connect with the letter jim. Then we start off with the tip of the qalam moving diagonally precisely half qalam and move like this. And then from here we will start building the letter jim. This is another form of the commencing letter ba. Start off using full qalam with the height of 1.5 nuqtas. And then if you want, you can connect the letter with seen here or swat or ain. And if you want to connect the letter ha, then we will use full qalam here. Even the same rule applies if connected with the letter ra. If the letter ba is used as the middle letter, then there are two forms of it. Number one, it can be used as half-rounded shape with full qalam. If, for example, there is another letter before it, represented by these dotted lines, right? And there is alif, represented by the cuts of the qalam. Okay, in some cases, the letter ba is crafted just like a bump with half qalam.